Singapore is incredibly unique because it is a place that celebrates diversity and culture, while at the same time, it is the financial heart of Southeast Asia.
Singapore asks itself, where are we today? Where are we headed tomorrow? And it's about how do we get there better and faster? And that's exactly the kind of thinking that inspires us at RIOS.
RIOS is excited to have our new office in the working capital, a place that is grounded in Singapore's history and inspires us as we think about the future.
In Singapore, there's a very strong movement towards community action and building livable places. Beyond Southeast Asia, the whole world is looking at the smart city solutions that are being put in place in Singapore and how the country is moving towards climate neutrality faster than anywhere else on the planet.
Singapore celebrates landscape as the predominant expression within the city. It's a garden city, and for us, and knowing our passion and our love for landscape architecture, Singapore is an amazing opportunity to extend our awareness of working globally into the hyperlocality of Singapore's climate.
Whether it's high-density urbanism or decarbonization or building resilient communities, it truly feels like Singapore is at the forefront of all of these ideas.
At RIOS, we design for a holistic experience. We like to say we do everything from cities to cups. In Singapore, and especially in other major cities in Southeast Asia, there's a desire for iconic, special spatial experiences. And I think this is where our strengths come into play.
In the Singaporean market, one of our biggest things that we can bring is this ability to really celebrate public realm and bring identity to districts.
When we're looking to create a district identity, a place where people feel they belong and they're happy to be, we tap into the history of the place, the culture. We look at how to bridge the gap between generations and lifestyles to create a unique identity for a place that feels really authentic, but also new and exciting.
With Singapore as our home base, it not only allows us great connection to our amazing clients and market, but provides us coverage across so many diverse places and spaces, from working in India to working in the Philippines, Indonesia, Vietnam, amongst others. Our team can really bring amazing stories to so many people in the region.
Our practice of community engagement allows us to connect with communities in Singapore and understand what the unique needs are of those neighborhoods.
Our approach is multidisciplinary, and we aim to use every tool at our disposal to really humanize the experience of the high-density city.
We really look for ways to fold our clients, our partners, into our creative process because we feel that collaboration will make a much better solution.
RIOS embraces multiple points of view, and we are excited to dream big with you.